So today I'm going to show you 2 ways you can use to make a grid on your paper. The reason we're going to do a grid is because whenever we draw something, it's a lot easier to draw it accurately. When I say accurately, I mean correctly when we use a grid. So we're going to draw the first letter of your name with a really cool font using a grid. So there's 2 things to do. If you do not have a ruler, you can go online to Google and just type in, see the search bar, I put ruler online, and then click on this very first result that says jennyfab.com. It'll say actual size online ruler. So again, go to Google, type in ruler online, and then you're gonna click this first result from jennyfab.com. This is actual online size ruler. Okay, you need to get a regular piece of paper with no lines. So see, I just have white paper with no lines on it. If you have paper with lines, that's okay, but you really need to try to get something that is clean and fresh and doesn't have lines if you can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hold my paper up to the screen. So y'all can see it like this. And you're gonna hold it right, not right here, but right here where the 0 starts. And you're gonna put a little notch or a line every time you see a big number. So I have a big number 1, I'm gonna put a line, big number 2, big number 3, I put a line, so every inch. Big number 4, 5, 6, and 7. So when I take my paper down, it should look like that, all the way across the top of your paper. Then you're gonna turn your paper the other way and do the same thing. Remember, this is if you do not have a ruler at home. Okay, so you're gonna hold it up to your screen. You can do 1, 2, 3, and keep going all the way down, okay? So you should have lines going this way and lines going this way. If you do not have a ruler at home, what you're gonna do is take something that is straight like this, and you're gonna draw it, use it to draw the lines, okay? So I would take this little book that I have, and then place it right here by the little notch, and then you would just start drawing your lines like this. Okay, so there's one line, and then you move the book or notebook or whatever it is that you have and draw the other line. I'm holding the phone with one hand and drawing with the other hand, so just be patient. Okay, so like I said, you can use a notebook, anything that's straight, and then you're just going to draw your lines. Okay, and then after you do it all the way down here, then you would do it up here too. So everywhere at the top of the page where you see these lines, you're gonna do another one. So then you would do it this way. And you're gonna do it covering your entire paper, so everything is covered in squares like this, okay? And if you do have a ruler, it's a little bit easier, but again, it's okay if you don't have a ruler. If you do have a ruler, you don't have to go online. All you have to do is take your ruler, set it up to your paper like this, and look, we're not even gonna measure anything. All you do if you have a ruler is you could take it and you can draw a line and then move the ruler. So let's say we put the ruler at the edge of the paper like this, and then we just move it on the line, make it straight, and then do another line. And then we move the ruler again. See, I'm not even having to measure it. And we're doing another line, okay? So you'd have lines going all the way down your paper, and then you would do the same thing this way. You take your ruler, hold on, and then you're gonna draw the line, and then move it, and do it again. Sorry again, I know it's shaky, but it's okay. And then you would do this keep moving the ruler and drawing the line all the way across the paper. So at the end of the day, you should have a full page grid on a white piece of paper. Make sure you use pencil, not pen, because if you use pen, you will not be able to erase it when you mess up.